Let's take a look at finding one-sided limits. Let's start out by talking about the left-hand limit. Notice by the A in the superscript, kind of like in the exponent place, you see a negative. That means we're looking at the behavior of the graph from the left of that A value. So in other words, we're coming up on that A value. We are moving left to right. We read it as the limit as x approaches A from the left equals whatever your limit is. Right-handed limit, you see the positive sign. That means we're on the right side of whatever your A value is, which means we're looking at the behavior of the graph as we are going right to left. The limit as x approaches A from the right equals whatever your limit is. Let's take a look at number 1. Here's a piecewise function. We are asked to find the limit as x approaches 1 from the right. Okay, so here is x equals 1. And if we're coming at it from the right, where's my y value approaching? Well, it's approaching 4. If I look here, the limit as x approaches 1 from the left. Here's 1. Now I'm coming from the left, so I'm going left to right. And we are approaching the y value of 2. 2 is my limit. Now C is just the limit as x approaches 1, which means we're coming at it from both sides. So if I'm coming at it from both sides, well, from the right my limit is 4. From my left my limit is 2. They do not equal each other, so we say the limit does not exist. I tend to abbreviate that as just DNE, does not exist. Let's do one more. Number 2, another piecewise defined function. Okay, the limit as x approaches -2 from the left. Here's -2. If we are approaching it from the left, we're going left to right. My limit, my y value is 0. Now I'm going to approach -2 from the right. So I'm moving right to left. Here's my graph. Right to left, my limit is at -2. And now the limit as x approaches -2, again, see here, we're going to end up with 2 different limits if we're coming at it from both sides. So that means the limit does not exist. But now if we're looking to evaluate what is f of -2, here's -2. My y value, closed dot, is -1.